Hello, my name's Jo Lochhead and I'm the founder and the creative director of the Crafty Kit company. We're on a mission to inspire people to craft their way to happiness with our range of craft kits, which include everything you need in the box. I'm all packaged in this sustainable recycled cardboard packaging, and we use products from noissue actually inside our boxes. Everything's wrapped up in gorgeous tissue paper. My time management tips for you are to use a calendar. So this is my biggest tip that I can give you, is to use a calendar and to fiercely protect the time in your calendar for the things that you have blocked out. So personally, I use a Google Calendar, and I also use the task bar at the side of the calendar to list my priorities for the week. And then I will block out the time in the calendar according to how much I think that task or activity, the priority, is going to need. I stick to that. So when you look at my Google Calendar, there are very few white spaces, although I do try and give myself a little bit of room between activities. And I also move the blocks of time according to how long they've actually taken. So if something overruns, I'll actually move that time so that when I'm reflecting at the end of the week, I can see how long things have taken, and just be more realistic about the time that you can allow yourself to do certain things. It took me quite a long time to get to that point of really being strict about using the calendar and blocking out that time and setting priorities. If an activity is not moving the business forward, or by not doing that activity you are impacting somebody else, then you need to ask yourself whether that's the thing you really need to be doing right now. Hope that was helpful for you, and see you soon.